Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Suhaib and my partner is Kuratul An. We have proposed Pakistan Sign Language Interpreter as our final year project under the supervision of Ma'am Sadia Makbul and co-supervision of Sir Wasim Abbas. This project will be a mobile application, thus not a research project, although we plan to take help from some of the research papers already published in this area. However, they have used different approaches. Some of the links are mentioned below. There are 300 million people in this world who suffer from the hair loss and cannot speak. 2 million of those people live in our country, Pakistan. Nowadays, extensive work is being done to help them do their daily routine tasks. In order to help them, several programs are available, but there is no extensive platform available for the normal people to communicate with those disabled persons until unless they have the knowledge of sign language. As a result, this becomes a huge problem for them to communicate with the deaf community, and similarly, it creates a much difficulty for the deaf ones to understand the normal people. So, we came up with the idea where we will develop a mobile application where a virtual character can translate words into gestures. Purpose of this project is to allow normal people to have normal conversation with the deaf ones through a program that inputs text or voice form and interpret into Pakistan Sign Language. Sign language is a visual language which is expressed through the gestures made mainly by the hands. Our goal is to interpret words into sign language and present it through the graphical representation on the screen. Related system analysis. ProDef and HandTalk are the most similar mobile application to our targeted project solution. The major weakness is that these applications only translate into their native sign language. ProDef translates into American Sign Language and HandTalk translates into Portuguese Sign Language, which is used in only Brazil. The proposed solution will translate text or voice into the Pakistan Sign Language dialect. In this picture, you can see the interface and virtual character of related application HandTalk we have talked previously. Problem solution. Our product will help normal people to communicate with those disabled people via converting the commonly spoken language into the native Pakistan Sign Language that is understandable by the hearing disabled, thus helping them in the issue that normal people have to communicate with the disabled people. Advantages of proposed system. Normal people who want to communicate with the deaf or dumb, our program will help them save time and effort they will put on to study the Pakistan Sign Language. Secondly, our program will not only help them skip this effort for studying the language, but will also be useful in aided learning. If they want to learn the sign language, it will be easy for them. Gather voice and text inputs, alphabets and numerics, and interpret into sign language by also using natural language processing and show it into the graphical representation of Pakistan Sign Language. The program will be useful in aided learning for the school going deaf kids who have lot of trouble conveying their message as well. Now my partner Kuratul An will proceed further. Thank you.
Scope and modules. Normal people who want to communicate with the deaf or dumb, our program helps them save time and effort they put on to study PSL. This program will not only help them skip this effort for studying the language but will also be useful in aided learning. We'll gather voice inputs and text inputs and turn them into sign language through natural language processing in a graphical representation of PSL. The modules of a proposed project are Module number 1, Speech to Text Conversion, Module 2, Text to Pakistan Sign Language, Module 3, Gesture Simulation, Module 4, UI and UX Development. Speech to Text Conversion. It is often called STT in a short form for Speech to Text Conversion. One of the tools for STT is CMU Sphinx. It is a group of speech recognition systems As per our current research, Python will provide certain library for speech recognition that supports several speech recognition engines and APIs including CMU Sphinx. This tool will be used in our program to convert voice to text form. Text to Pakistan Sign Language. We will use the stored model that we get from trained processing of gesture interpretation. The text value retrieved from user will be matched to the corresponding PSL model. Then the PSL posture or gesture will be passed to the next stage to be simulated on the screen. Gesture simulation. We will visualize the sign language that we get from text or voice evaluation to the screen using graphical representation. We chose various design tools to simulate hand gesture. Then we will use simple hand model to simulate the sign language on the screen. UI and UX development. We will develop a friendly user interface of a mobile application where user gets all necessary options to interact with the application and virtual character. Data gathering approach. Our main data gathering source will be Pakistan Sign Language PSL, which is a project of Family Educational Services Foundation, which describes the local sign language used in Pakistan as it is the key target of our project. Project limitations or constraints. The major limitation is that we won't be able to express the complete sentences as there is not much research work available right now for Pakistan Sign Language, so we can only work to translate the alphabets and numeric figures in form of text and verbal to sign gestures. This product will only be understandable by those who are aware of the standard sign language. Sign language has its own grammar, culture, terminology, and it even has different dialects. Because of its complexity, it will prove to be a great challenge to create a program that can fully translate PSL. Tools and technologies. The main tools and technologies we plan on using in our project are Android application development, Adobe Illustrator, Blender, MySQL, Python, CMU Sphinx. If there are any questions or answers, you may proceed. Thank you.